Hey guys, welcome to QuantLab. This is a very simple video. I am recording this video for the only purpose of talking to you guys and explaining how to start into algo trading. There's no tutorial in this video. I'll try to tell you about where to start and where not to waste time. But the core intent here is like a lot of people reach in the WhatsApp group that where do we start? Absolute beginner, or I know Python, but where do I get the finance knowledge? Or I do know finance, how do I get into algo and all of that? So the simple answer is let's take the first of a path of somebody who already knows how to trade. For them, the goals are very well defined. उनको ट्रेडिंग करनी है या इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है एंड इन ऑर्डर टू डू दैट दे वांट टू गेट मोर इन द टेक्नोलॉजी. Now the problem with getting in the technology is there is no end to it. Sometimes it's technology for the sake of it. So a good starting point for you would be the familiar tools that you already know. Examples, something like TradingView. It gives you all the tools necessary to move from, if you're a manual trader or a completely chart pattern based trader, or you just do investments, it gives you enough tools in the form of pine script and backtesting libraries and all of that that you can use to code out things that you want. Code word bola to thoda problem ho sakta hai. Now to how do you code? You will probably need some help. Thoda programming seekhna padega. But the good part is ChatGPT available hai. So you can use ChatGPT to explain your strategy. Don't expect it to know everything that you know. You'll have to dumb it down for it. लिखने की आदत डालें, टाइप करें, दो तीन बार progressively you'll need to be patient with it, but you will get to an answer. Sometimes what can happen is आपने कोई code generate किया, you put it into TradingView and you run it as a Pine script, it gives an error. You will learn a little bit of debugging and problem solving. If you're already familiar with TradingView in general, then this whole process should not typically take you more than anywhere between 1 to 3 months. It's a relatively straightforward process. And using this, if you don't do high speed or maybe you don't do intraday, I would go on to that level. Your trades are mostly delivery based. You should be able to automate a strategy at least to give you the signals in the form of notifications. And if you take TradingView Premium, I don't know how much alerts it give on the free plans, but alerting mechanism is available. You can get alerts on email and whatnot. So that's one path. If you're a trader, start with TradingView. Python, AI, साथ में, the journey would be much longer than this, probably 1+ year, because if programming is not what you have studied, or if you have been disconnected for a while, it will take couple of weeks or maybe couple of months to get back into programming. Then going back to programming for finance will take another 5-6 months, and then by the time you have an year, if you are practicing enough, then you'll be able to code it out yourself, or at least be able to use ChatGPT to solve those problems. So that's one path. What resources do you have available? Plenty. There are a lot of tutorials for PineScript on YouTube that you should go and watch. Make a playlist of 2 or 3 videos, just the ones that you like. Listen to the person if he's making practical sense, or if it is just flashy edits and all of that. Usually that's how I filter. Save them, and that should be a path very forward. Now the problem gets into where you want to learn ChatGPT and Python, and there a lot of time is wasted. Unfortunately, don't treat that as a wasted time. Try to prune into certain structured information. If you can, get into a structured learning program, something like EPAT, which I have done in the past, highly recommend, not endorsed at all. Do that. If you want to learn from free resources, go on and download syllabus from a bunch of these places and then build your own content. It will take time, but it is worth the effort if you are committed to it. आपको जल्दी जवाब चाहिए तो सॉरी, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा आपको. You will waste your time in watching hundreds of YouTube video without getting into anything. पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से बता रहा हूँ. कंटेंट क्रिएटर हूँ तो थोड़ा कंज्यूम करता हूँ. लाइक आई स्पेंड अबाउट 4-5 hours on YouTube. मतलब इवन इफ आई एम वर्किंग समटाइम्स I keep doing YouTube videos, listening to them and whatnot, just to learn the style and all. But if you don't build a structured learning layout for you, you will waste time. Have I done some structured work? I would rate myself as 6 out of 10 in organizing the stuff. Like recently, I did a 1 hour webinar and then that is organized. But beyond that, there isn't a lot of organized tutorial available anywhere on YouTube. You'll have to stitch it. You don't need to commit to it. It's not a marriage. So enough commentary on if you are, a trader and want to get on this path. Short path, stick to the tool that you use. TradingView was an example. You could be from Ami Broker world. So Ami Broker use kar lo. Windows based kuch और tool use karte ho, you can use that. You can use charting to automate a lot of these stuff. So stick to that, automate using that, learn the process automation. फिर ये AI और Python में जाओ. थोड़ा FOMO आएगा, which is fear of missing out. That's natural. Keep investing time. Give yourself probably a year. So that's one part of it. The second part, which is a much more difficult part in my view, is a lot of people who are in technology believe that हमें टेक्नोलॉजी आती है तो हम ट्रेडिंग भी अच्छा कर लेंगे, या हमने एआई सीखा है तो स्टॉक प्राइसेस कितना मुश्किल होगा फोरकास्ट करना. आई थिंक ये फोरकास्टिंग सिनेरियो इज मच मोर क्लोजर and I hear this from a lot of people. Unfortunately, I am not somebody who believes in that path that stock prices can be forecasted. Can you use AI for a bunch of different use cases? Absolutely, 100%. There's no debate of that. I am not saying AI is useless in markets. In fact, there are a lot of scenarios where you can use it significantly better than and faster than a typical person of the same experience. I mean, again, experience matters as well, and the expertise also matters. But then technology can definitely help in that space. But do not jump in the space knowing that I am from data science world. I've done a little bit of time series. I know forecasting techniques and all of that. And I will be able to forecast stock prices. Sorry to burst your bubble. That's not going to happen. Very, very difficult to do. Has it happened for people? Yes, it can. I am not saying it can never happen, but those scenarios are very limited. For instance, if it's a trending market, if overall the macro is high and you can build a model for a short time window to predict maybe next couple of days and maybe week worth of prices and stop loss and all that, and that will work. I have done that, and that's close enough. The point is, you don't need to go through all of that. Most of those predictions can also be done by a simple crossover and RSI and MACD based strategy. So you don't technically need that complexity of model and churning the data and all of that. That just becomes an academic pursuit. Don't fall under that trap of the academic pursuit of technology and trying to apply into something. Reinforcement learning, another bubble which at least I could never get around. I mean, I'm sure there are people who have been able to, but I was never able to replicate a proper reinforcement learning setup that can help trade. Is it possible? I continue to believe it is, but requires a very focused effort. Now, can you go towards quant based strategies and can you use data science there? The answer is astounding yes. There are a lot of very, very detailed, like for example, Kalman filter based strategies, acceleration based strategies, pressure based strategies, and pressure essentially is candle pressure. Elliott theory kind of lends a lot of stuff. So if you have understood that, you will have to spend time in understanding this, even if you're coming from a technology world in the context of finance, because yes, there are stock prices, but there are much more information available. For you, the journey could be much longer. Continue to invest in good quality stock, and that fundamental analysis can be automated by technology. That work is much simpler. By simpler, I mean less simple than comparatively using AI to predict and whatnot. A lot of time will also be spent into learning finance and the nuances of trading. Unfortunately, unless you are a very academic person who is really likes reading books and all that, it's very difficult to learn to trade by reading books unless and until you jump in, swimming pool. So you can't learn swimming by reading books, right? You can learn as much theory as you want, but when you get in the water, you will have to, gasp your breath and learn to practice with it. So that problem will come, and that will be a longer phase. So I do feel and personally think that people who are from trading background and investment have a better chance and are better, at least better is, or I'll say faster at getting into the markets. So yeah, that's my take on this. If you're in technology, you already know the technology bit, so I'm not gonna throw you a bunch of Python libraries. So yeah, learn a little bit of finance. Structured approach definitely is going to help out for you. How much of theory and practical you should do, completely driven by your risk appetite, your ability to learn, your rate at learning. I will definitely say your time frame will be longer. It would take at least probably an year to understand the nuances of finance if you are very keen in studying it, keen being on the operating word. Can you trade before that? Absolutely. Finally, are these short term courses valuable? I don't know. I don't want to comment on that. I don't think learning a technique or a system of trading is good, but that's just me. I want to learn most. I don't qualify myself as a technical or fundamental. I think जिससे लो यार दोनों हाइब्रिड चलना चाहिए हमेशा मेरे हिसाब से. क्वांट भी डालना है वो भी डालो जो गुजरने गुजर चाहिए मतलब there's nothing there. But courses के बारे में I think well defined structured course content do pay for it. I think people have definitely leveraged. But I don't think learning to trade using technical charts and all of this can make you a lot of money because there are a lot of people doing it and doing it better than you. So by the time you become master of it, something else would have come. So I don't feel वो जो नॉर्मल स्टेट ऑफ बुक्स होता है कि मल्टी बैगर बना लो इतने तरह के चार्ट में फोटो. आई डोंट थिंक दैट वर्क्स or that will work maybe in the future. I think that works now, but it might be unlikely that it will work in the future given the rate at which technology is catching up. I think algo trading is picking up in India, bots are picking up. So at after a certain point in time, what will happen is the volatility because of the frequency of transactions will be so high and the decision making will be so fast, it will become very difficult to track in charts. Again, that's my view. I'm pretty sure that I have a bias, but yeah, that's a little bit on this. So starting point for you guys, I think again you'll have to go and invest in time in learning finance properly, and beyond that you already know technology, you should have the way. Cool. So that was a very simple conversation on how to get started in algo trading. There's no code shared, कुछ ऐसा नहीं है जिसके बारे में मैंने बात किया जो out of the blue. If you have questions, please drop in the comments. I think this is a free flowing conversation. So इसको ऐसे ही रखते हैं. What do I continue to do? I will continue to push content twice a week in this channel. Tuesdays, Saturdays, either 9 a.m. या अगर हम लेट हो गए तो 8 p.m. There is a membership channel that which is very nominally priced. I think 200 रुपए महीने के हैं. उसमें से भी YouTube मुझे बहुत कम देता है. Just helps me pay for my team. And what I do there is it's primarily going to be a Discord channel. I've settled on Discord finally and I'll make some announcement. But basically you get access to all the code that I show in the content. So even if you like one video and उस कोड को आपको लिखने में probably 2 घंटे लगेंगे, so your cost is covered. I mean, it's that cheap. So yeah, that's the second. There are a lot of free resources that I keep doing. I mean, this is there, my Medium blog is there, the WhatsApp community, which is the best asset that I have, is free. A couple of people have approached me for courses. I am not super keen on it. I'm not interested in making a course on technical analysis, yeah, whatnot. I don't think I'll be able to do it as well because there are people doing it better than me. I am going to do podcasts, get some very seasoned people and have a conversation with them on live. So if you have questions, please put that in WhatsApp or here. And then finally, I am looking at certain courses where the convergence of AI, the whole of this world can be converged. So you should see those announcements pretty soon. All right, until next video, this became less like a video, more like a chat. I don't know if this will be liked or not, but yeah, thank you for listening. Bye-bye. If you have listened to it, thank you for it. If you have not, that's okay. Understandable. Please tell me why you did not. All right. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.